How many calories do common Filipino food have? Let's see. Let's find out. So I'm gonna use the Calzen app, of course, to estimate if my guesses are right. My guess is it is about 550 calories. This one is around, oh my god, I think this is like 1,000 calories. This one maybe like 400 calories. This one, itong whole set na to, maybe 600 calories. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's open the app and start. Okay, here we go. Oh my god, 970 siya.
Okay, for the fried chicken.
470. Okay, malapit.
Now the macaroni. 670. And lastly, the sandwiches. Whoa, 540.
So, unfortunately, I failed this mission. But I got people curious about the Calzen app. So, ang galing kasi instant siya. And even when you're on the go, may estimate mo kung ilang calories ang meron ka. So, try it now. Try Calzen. Annyeong!